There's Paul.
Oh, yep.
And then what is it?
It's my first 3D modelled and printed plane. 650mm span, 4S, just over 300 grams in weight. And this will be its 6th flight, I think.
Jolly good. We'll have a go then.
Yep. Yeah. Fast, Bob.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. That was a fast pass.
Pretty quick.
Yeah, it's quite, yeah. Jesus.
Right above my head, sorry about that.
Did you hear my back crack?
The prop is off balance, that's the noise.
Yeah.
Do a fast pass again, Bob.
Okay, look.
Ooh! Yeah!
A supersonic knife edge.
Do this on colour for the wings.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Tend to overshoot with this.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Very nice. That's Paul's new 3D printed aeroplane.